Hello, and welcome to this video discussing the use of the tooling interface for TDM within Vericut's Tool Manager. Here's a definition you'll find in our help documents, but to introduce you to Vericut's intelligence, let's ask you what a tooling interface is. Vericut's intelligence allows anyone to ask questions about the industry-leading simulation software. From Vericut.com, I can simply click on the Ask Vericut Intelligence or the icon placed here. It will keep track of history, as you can see here also. With Vericut Intelligence live and active on our website, you can even ask questions such as, does Vericut support FANUC controllers? And you're not just going to get a typical yes, no, but as you can see, it even elaborates on other functionality. Teach pendant robot format, other standard G&M codes. So I encourage you to go check that out as well. The TDM interface enables Vericut users to connect directly to your database in TDM. Then it reads into tool graphics, kiting data, speeds and feeds, etc. for your simulations. So there are two different interfaces in Vericut. The TDM Classic, or now called ClassiX, and Global Line. I'll be demonstrating Global Line. Reads 3D tool data, DXF step files, as I mentioned, cutting limits and optimization settings. This maintains a direct link to TDM. The only real difference is how one logs into the database. ClassiX is a typical log into a database. In both cases, you're still using a password that you've set up. It's just the path to that database is a little bit different. Within Vericut's Tool Manager, you'd select the Import tab, TDM Global Line icon, and once connected, pick the tool list of your choice for that particular job. Again, this is information that you've set up in TDM's database with your user credentials. So now let's take a look. It's demo time. I'm going to select the tool manager from the project tree just by double clicking here. I can right click and pick open. And now I'm going to select the import tab and Global Line. I'll connect to my database. And now I can see the available tool lists. Here, this will give me a preview of all the tooling in that list. Of course, I can pick and choose which ones I want to import or not import. And we have other settings here for how your NC program has been generated using an actual tool number, or in this case, we're using a description of the tool, as you can see under Tool ID. I'm going to remove the CAD references, which will allow a file to be created by Vericut with the exact dimensions of the tool and saved locally to my project or on the network, wherever the project is accessed from. Once I import the tools, I see here I have my 4 tools created. Once I close, I will be prompted to save this as a TLS or tool library file, which I'll do, and I'll begin my simulation. As we notice here, the tool is mounted properly. I have the correct gauge length. The bullseye for my tooltip or driven point is correct. And as we continue through this simulation, Again, this is data pulled straight from your database, brought directly into your Vericut session, and it provides the accurate representation of your tools. This concludes the tech tip video for the TDM tool interface used within Vericut's Tool Manager. If you have any further questions, give us a call or email us at info@cgtech.com. Be sure to check out any other topics of interest while you're on the YouTube channel as well. Thank you.